In 1846, 87 pioneers set out for California. Only 48 would survive. The Donner Party thought they found a shortcut through the Sierra Nevada mountains. Instead, they found hell. Winter came early, snow trapped them at Truckee Lake with no food and no way out. First they ate their oxen, then their horses, then leather from their shoes. By December, people started dying. That's when the unthinkable became necessary. Families made a pact. When someone died, they would butcher the body like livestock. They cooked human flesh over campfires and fed it to their children. Louis Kieseberg kept detailed journals of every meal. He wrote about the taste, the texture, how they decided who to eat first. Parents consumed their own dead children. Children ate their parents. Some survivors admitted the meat tasted better than beef. When rescuers finally reached them in spring, they found Kieseberg alone, surrounded by human bones he'd been gnawing on. He was smiling. The Donner Party proved that civilization's just 3 meals away from savagery.